Welcome to 16540 Joplin Path in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044. This fantastic house was built in 1991, features over 2,000 finished square feet with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Located in a great neighborhood in Lakeville, you're close to 35, so it's a quick commute to downtown Minneapolis or St. Paul. Asphalt driveway, 2-car attached garage, front patio. All the windows and siding is in excellent condition, so there's barely any maintenance at all. I'm going to take you around the rest of the house so you can see the exterior as well as the backyard. Roof's in excellent condition as well as all mechanicals. I'm going to give you another shot of the side of the home. As you can see, excellent condition, low maintenance. Backyard is huge, and as you can see, there are fencing pieces on both sides, so if you wanted to add another section of fence, you could be set for a dog or any other pet. Big deck that overlooks the backyard. Off to the left in the distance, you can see Buck Hill, so you can enjoy the New Year's Eve fireworks. It's one of the highest points in Lakeville. Walk out from the lower level to the backyard. Taking you in through the front door, newer front door. Wonderful flooring here as we enter the home. Hall closet, vaulted ceiling. Very open. 2-car attached garage. A lot of people like to say they have houses that are open floor plans, but this one truly is. If the kitchen area and the gathering of friends and family is important to you and you like this open space, you're going to be hard-pressed to find anything better than this. Here's another shot of the entryway. Lots of natural light with those big glass doors. All the windows, again, are in excellent condition. A lot of this has been remodeled and updated. Here is the sliding glass door that goes out to the deck and the backyard. There are steps that go from the deck to the backyard, but the lower level also is a walkout to the backyard. All appliances stay with the home. There's premier lighting, cans, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. All of the drawers are soft close on their own, so it's all premier grade A quality cabinetry. The person who owns this house is a chef, so this was very important to them. Lots of pantry storage. Here's a look out to the front. This is just an absolutely wonderful move-in ready home. Look at that space. You're not going to see this every day with the vaulted ceilings. So let's take you here on a tour down the hall. Again, this is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,000 plus finished square feet. So this is one of the main level bedrooms. Good size walk-in closet. It's being used right now as a home office. Carpet's all in excellent condition. Completely remodeled bathroom with tile to the ceiling. Newer vanity, faucet, sink. It's very tastefully decorated, very neutral. It has a large master bedroom with a large walk-in closet, so plenty of space for a king-size bed. I'll just give you a quick view here. But as you can see, lots of room for storage. 2,000 plus finished square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. Lower level is very open as well with a huge family room on the left. There's the sliding glass door that will take you to the backyard, and there's a little patio underneath. You could, if you wanted to, frame that in for a screen porch. Huge family room, plenty of room for a pool table, home theater. You could add a wet bar if you want. To the right is storage underneath the stairs and that entryway, so lots of space for storage. Excellent upgraded carpet. To the right is the second bathroom, which has also been remodeled with tile from the floor to the ceiling, as well as flooring tile, new vanity, new sink, new faucet. This is bedroom number 3. Good sized bedrooms with good sized closet space, all with carpet that's in excellent condition. To the left is a linen closet, and then this is the 4th bedroom. This house is priced to sell, lots of storage, mechanicals, all appliances stay, 4 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 2,000 plus square feet. Come get it.